नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, वड़क्कम, गुड इवनिंग। मैं सुधांशु पांडे मैथ्स एंड फन में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज की क्लास में आराध्या, कृतिक, वर्तिका के साथ हम क्लास को आगे बढ़ाए गए, जहां पर हम करेंगे वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल्स। करीब करीब 37 से 38 40 सवाल में लेके आया हूं और अगले 2 से ढाई घंटे या 3 घंटे हम कह सकते हैं हम इन प्रॉब्लम्स को करेंगे। देखेंगे कि हर एक प्रॉब्लम्स को करने में कितनी टाइम लगता है, वो कौन सी बातें हैं जो हमें समझनी चाहिए। और मैं चाहूँगा कि प्लीज़ आप साथ दें मेरा, आप भी साथ में क्वेश्चंस को देखें और किस तरीके से करते हैं। शुरू करते हैं हमारे साथ वर्तिका और आराध्या के साथ। बेटा शुरू करें। कृतिक, रेडी? सो द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस इज Ritu can row downstream 20 kilometer in 2 hours and upstream 4 kilometer in 2 hours. And let me put on the timer also so that we can see how much time will it take to solve all the questions now. Okay. So Ritu can row downstream in 20 kilometer. That means let us suppose that we have a place known as A and this is B, which is another place. And if I am moving from this direction from A to B and the direction of water is in the opposite direction, we say we are going upstream. If the direction of boat and the direction of water is in the same direction, we say it is a downstream. So what happens in a downstream is, suppose I am going in this direction and the water is also going in this direction, so the speed will be added up. If it is opposite direction, the speed will be subtracted. Are you getting it, Aradhya beta?
Yes, sir.
So they are asking, Ritu can row downstream in 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find the speed of rowing in still water and the speed of the current. So we will write down the first step as, let the speed of, you can also start writing with me, let the speed of boat and current be x and y respectively. Then we have to make two equations. So we will write according to question, okay, downstream. So what is the speed when you are going in downstream? It is x plus y. So therefore, how much time it takes? 2 hours. So speed multiplied by time. 2 times x plus y is equal to 20. Are you getting it? Speed into time is equal to distance. While upstream, that is being done in 2 hours. So 2 times x minus y is equal to 4 kilometer. Are you getting it? So the first equation, if I divide it by 2, I will get x plus y is equal to 10, and the second equation I will get x minus y is equal to 2. I will divide this by 2. So adding both the equations by eliminating, you can eliminate y. So 2x is equal to 12 implies that x is equal to 6 km per hour. And you can replace the value of x in first equation, you will get y is equal to 10 minus 6 is equal to 4 km per hour. So you will say the speed of rowing is equal to 6 km per hour in still water. Okay, speed of rowing in still water, please write down the whole statement, is 6 km per hour, and speed of current is equal to 4 km per hour. Any doubt? Anybody having any doubt, please let me know. Is it clear? Okay, Aradhya, are you getting it, beta? आपको आवाज आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I am explaining it again. Okay. So the question is, Ritu can row downstream 20 km in 2 hours and upstream 4 km in 2 hours. Find her speed of rowing in still water and the speed of current. So Vartika, if the speed of, let the speed of rowing is x km per hour, let the speed of current is y km per hour. All right. So when they are moving in the same direction, it is known as downstream. When we are moving in the opposite direction, it is known as upstream. So while downstream, the speed will be added up. So 2 hours times speed is equal to distance. Again 2 hours times speed is equal to distance 4 km. So we are dividing the first equation by 2, we get x plus y is equal to 10, and the second equation we got x minus y is equal to 2. That means 2x is equal to 12. On adding both the equations, x came out to be 6 km, and on putting x in the first equation, I got y as 4 km per hour. And in the last, I have to write like this, what is being asked in the question. Understood? Shall we proceed? Okay. Next question. Question number 2. A woman and 2 women and 5 men can together finish an embroidery work in 4 days, while 3 women and 6 men can finish it in 3 days. Find the time taken by 1 woman alone to finish the work and also that taken by 1 man alone. Okay, this is the case of time and work. This is a case of time and work. So if more people are coming to do a particular work, the time taken is lessened. And if individual is doing that work, suppose 3 of us are doing a work and we are doing it in 1 day, so if one of us is doing the work, same work, it will take 3 days. Are you getting it? Now let us imagine that the amount of work done by one woman is in 1 day is x. So write down let the amount of work done let the number of days taken by one woman and one man be x and y days. Let the number of days taken by one woman and one man be x and y days to complete the work. So how much work will be done in 1 day? Can anybody of you tell me? If I take x days to complete a work, I single-handedly, how much work I can do in 1 day? Please be on unmute to say something. आराध्या, अगर मैं कोई काम 3 दिन में खत्म करूंगा तो 1 दिन में काम का कितना हिस्सा करूंगा? 1/3. Very good. So if I complete a work in x days, in 1 day, how much work I can do? In 1 day, how much work I can do? 1/x.
Yes.
1/x. Are you getting it? अगर मैं एक काम को x दिन में खत्म करूंगा तो 1 दिन में उस काम का कितना हिस्सा करूंगा? 1/x. तो अगर 2 औरतें उस काम को कर रही हैं, ओके, तो 1 दिन में कितना काम करेंगे बेटा? 2/x प्लस 5/y. ओके, ये काम का कितना हिस्सा होगा बेटा? वो काम कितने दिन में खत्म हो रहा है? 4 दिन में. तो कितना काम किया उन्होंने? 1/4. This is the first equation. Coming to the second equation, we have got 3/x plus 6/y is equal to 1/3. Now let us assume as
2x plus 5y is equals to 4.
2x plus 5y इज इक्वल टू 4 कैसे मानोगे बेटा? x को क्या माना है आपने?
जो काम एक दिन में कर रहा है कोई।
एक दिन में किए हुए काम को आप x कैसे मान सकते हो? आपको तो यही नहीं पता x क्या है, एक दिन में कितना काम कर रहा है। हम ये मान सकते हैं कि टोटल x दिन में वो काम को खत्म कर रहा है। हम क्या मान सकते हैं? हमें क्या पूछा गया है बेटा? पूछा क्या है बताओ? फाइंड द टाइम टेकन पूछा है ना, तो जो चीज हमें पूछी गई है उसी को हम वेरिएबल लेके फाइंड आउट करेंगे ना, नहीं तो हम कुछ और निकाल लेंगे। आपसे ये थोड़ी पूछा कि एक दिन में कितना काम करना है। हो सकता है इसको करने के और तरीके हों, लेकिन अभी मैं जो तरीका बता रहा हूं आपको उस तरीके को फॉलो करना है। कृतिक, आर यू गेटिंग इट बेटा? Woman is doing in how many days the work? She is doing in x days. Man is doing in y days. So in one day, what is the amount of work they are doing? 1 by x and 1 by y. So 2 people means 2 by x, 5 people will be 5 by y. This is the work they are doing in one day, and in one day they are able to do only 1/4 of the work because the work has been done in 4 days. Aradhya, is it clear beta?
Yes sir.
Aditi, clear now? Kritik, tell me. So we will assume let 1 by x is equal to u and 1 by y is equal to v. So the same equation will be reduced to 2u plus 5v is equal to 1 by 4 and 3u plus 6v is equal to 1 by 3. So we can multiply the first equation by 3 and the second equation by 2 to eliminate the u. So what is the equation we are going to get? We will get 6u plus 15 times v is equal to 3 by 4, and then we will have 6u plus 12v is equal to 2 by 3. Now we can subtract. So when we will subtract the second equation from the first, we are going to get 3v is equal to, so 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3 is how much? 3 by 4 minus 2 by 3. So the LCM is going to be 12. 4 times 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4, 4 times 2 is 8. So it is going to be 1 over 12. So V is going to be 1 over 36. So what is V? V is 1 upon Y. So that means Y is going to be 36. Okay, now let us find U. So in any of this equation we can find the value of u just by putting the value of v. So we have 6u plus 15 by 36 is equal to 3 by 4. So 6u is equal to 3 by 4 minus, so we can this will become 5 by 12, and if we take the LCM it is going to be 12. 4 times 3, 3 times 9 minus 5, 9 minus 5 is 4 by 12, 4 by 12 is 1 by 3, so u is going to be 1 by 18. That means x is going to be 18 days. So the time taken by women alone is 36 days, and time taken by men alone is, women alone is 18 days and the time taken by men alone is 36 days. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Done?
एक मिनट. Done sir.
Done? समझ में आ गया? हम आंसर वेरीफाई करें. Let us verify the answer, okay, if we have done it right or wrong. So tell me, if one woman is doing a job in 36 days, then 2 women will do the job in how many days? 18 days, very good. Okay, so let us say it is 2 by 36. Okay, then 5 men. So men is taking how many days? No, women were taking 18 days, right? So it is going to be 2 by 18. Now 5 men will do how much job in single day? 5 by 36. So if the addition of them gets to 1 by 4, then our answer is right. So this is 1 by 9 plus 5 by 36. So it is 4 by 36. So 4 by 34 plus 5 is 9 by 36. So our answer is correct. The answer is correct. Next question. Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train and the remaining by bus. If she travels 100 km by train and the remaining by bus, she takes 10 minutes longer. Find the speed of a train and the bus separately. So when you have been asked two variables, that means it is linear equation in two variables. So what is the first statement you will write? Let the speed of bus, train is being asked, so you will write train and bus be x and y kilometer per hour respectively. This is the first statement that you can write. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Okay. Then Ruhi travels 300 km to her home partly by train and partly by bus. She takes 4 hours if she travels 60 km by train. So 60 km by train, so how much time she is going to give? 60 km by train. So 60 km distance upon speed, 60 upon x plus how much distance is left? 240 km is left. So we will write according to question 60 by x plus 240 by y is equal to, what is the total time taken? 4 hours. Okay, then the second part, if she travels 100 km by train, that means 100 by x plus how much is the remaining distance? 200. 200 by y, this is equal to how much? It takes 10 minutes longer. 10 minutes longer means 4 hours and 10 by 60. Are you getting it?
Yes.
Which will be converted to 4 1 by 6. That means 25 by 6. So again what we are going to do? We are going to put as 1 by x as u and 1 by y as v. So the first equation will be reduced to 60u plus 240v is equal to 4. We can divide the whole equation by 4. So we will get 15u plus 60v is equal to 1. In the second equation we can write 100u plus 200v is equal to 25 by 6. We can divide the whole equation by 25. So we will get 4u plus 8v is equal to 1 by 6. Now we have 15 here, we have 4 here, we have 60 here, we have 8 here. So what is the LCM of 15 and 4? The LCM of 15 and 4 is 60. So rather than we could multiply this equation by 4 to get the same equation, and we can multiply this equation by 15 to get another equation which will be equal to 60u plus 120v is equal to 15 by 6. 15 by 6 can be rewritten as 5 by 2. 3y by 3 5 ja, 3 2 ja. So now we can eliminate u by subtracting the equation. So 240 minus 120 is how much? 120v is equal to 4 minus 5 by 2. Let us do 4 minus 5 by 2. So 2 times 4 is 8, 8 minus 5 is 3. So this is going to be 3 by 2. So this is 3 by 2, which implies that V is equal to 3 by 2 into 1 by 120. So 3 into 40, which is coming as 1 by 80. So V is coming as 1 by 80, implies that V was 1 by Y. So Y is coming as 80 kilometer per hour. You can substitute the value of 80 in the first equation in this equation. So you will get 60 by x plus 240 by 80, which is 3, is equal to 4. That means 60 by x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 60 kilometer per hour. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Shall we proceed?
1 minute.
Okay. Next question. A boat goes 30 km upstream and 44 km downstream in 10 hours. In 13 hours, it can go 40 km upstream and 55 km downstream. Tell me what we are going to write. Let the speed of, what is being asked? Speed of stream and that of boat. So what we will write? Let
the speed of stream and the boat be x and y respectively.
Very good. Let the speed of stream and boat be x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour respectively. Okay. So we will write according to question. What is being asked? What is being said? 30 kilometer upstream and 44 kilometer downstream. So 30 kilometer upstream. So what is the speed at upstream?
30 upon x plus y.
Beta upstream is minus y.
Sorry, x minus y.
Okay. Plus 44 upon x plus y is equal to 10. And in the second equation you can write 40 upon x minus y plus x minus y इसलिए आया बेटा, नहीं y माइनस एक्स होगा बेटा, या फिर हम पहले बोट लिख देते हैं फिर स्ट्रीम लिखेंगे बेटा, ठीक है? इसको चेंज कर लो आप लोग, बोट एंड स्ट्रीम कर दो बेटा, क्योंकि बोट की स्पीड ज्यादा है स्ट्रीम की स्पीड से. ओके, x इज ग्रेटर देन y. अब आदित्य यू आर आस्किंग मी कि y x माइनस वाई बेटा, अपस्ट्रीम इज लाइक द वाटर इज कमिंग डाउन एंड यू आर गोइंग अगेंस्ट द मोशन ऑफ द वाटर. So your actual speed is going to be x minus y while upstream. While downstream, your actual speed will be x plus y. Are you getting this? Tell me. Okay. That means this is upstream. Okay, this is y stream, downstream. So 40 upon x minus y plus 55 upon x plus y is equal to, total time taken is 13 hours. So we don't need to write hours. So what we can write here is, we can assume that 1 upon x minus y as u and 1 upon x plus y as v. So the first equation will be reduced to 30u plus 44v is equal to 10, and the second equation can be reduced to 40u plus 55v is equal to 13. So the LCM of 30 and 40 is 120. So I will multiply the first equation by 4 and the second equation by 3. So I will get the first equation as 120u plus 3 into 4 is 4 into 4 is 16. So it is 176v is equal to 40. And the second equation I will get as 120u plus 165v is equal to 39. So when I will subtract this equation, I will get this is going to be 11v is equal to 1, implies that v is equal to 1 by 11. When I substitute the value of v in this equation, I will get 30u plus 44 by 11 is how much? 44 by 11 is 4. So 4 is equal to 10. That means 30u is equal to 6. Implies that 30u is equal to 6. So u is going to be 1 by 5. That means 1 upon x minus 5 is going to be, sorry, x minus y. 1 upon x minus y is going to be, u came out to be 1 by 5. 1 by 5. That means x minus y is equal to 5. Now similarly 1 upon x plus y is going to be v. v came out to be 11, 1 by 11. So which implies that x plus y is going to be 11. When you add both the equations, you will get 2x is equal to 16, x is equal to 8 km per hour. And when you substitute the value of 8 here, you will get y as 3 km per hour. That means the speed of boat is 8 km per hour and the speed of this the current, water current, is 3 km per hour. I hope this is clear to everybody.
Yes, sir.
Clear hai Aditi?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Shall we proceed? Okay. You can check the answer as well. 30 km upstream will be 8 minus 3 is 5, so 6 hours, and 44 by 8 plus 3, 11 is 4 hours. So 6 plus 4 is 10. You can substitute the value and check your answer, validate your answer. Moving on to the next question. Let us take how much time it is taking. So we started, so in 33 minutes we have done 4 questions, okay, just by understanding as well. So 6 is 8 into 4. Probably we should take not more than 4 minutes to do a particular question. Since I am making you understand, so that's why it is taking time. Let us say this. A part of a monthly hostel charges is fixed and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken the food in the mess. Okay. When a student A takes the food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 and a hostel charges, whereas student B who takes the food for 26 days pays rupees 1180 as a hostel charges. So this is the same question like the question on cab driving, use a taxi fare question. Okay, when you ride a taxi, so there is a fixed charge and then there is a charge per kilometer. So how to do this? So we will write, let the charge of food per day be X and the fixed charge be Y. So you will write according to question, how many days A has eaten the food? 20 days. So 20 times X plus Y, how much money is spending? 1000. And the second person is 26 days. So 26 days plus Y is going to be 1180. So you can subtract the first equation from the second, so you will get 6x is equal to 180. That means x is equal to 30. Substituting the value of x in the first equation, you will get 20 times 30 plus y is equal to 1000. So y will come out as 400 rupees. 1000 minus 600 is 400. So it implies that what is being asked? The fixed charge is equal to rupees 400 and cost of food per day cost of food per day is equal to rupees 30. Understood? Let me know if anybody is having any doubt. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on to the next question. See, it hardly took 3 minutes. Next question. Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded to each correct answer and the 2 marks been deducted for each incorrect answer, this is the grade 6 questions of integers. You must have done it. Okay. Yash should have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So, let the number of correct answers be x and incorrect answer be y respectively. Okay. So you will write according to question. What is according to the question? He scored 40 marks by getting 3 marks for each correct answer. So that means 3x. That means 3x minus, you will subtract. How many he has done incorrect? Y. So 3x minus y is how much? 40. And 4 marks being awarded for correct. That means 4x minus 2y is equal to 50. So we can eliminate this y by multiplying the first equation by 2. So I will get 6x minus 2y is equal to 80. And then I will subtract the first equation from the second. So I will get 2x is equal to 80 minus 50 is how much? 30. So x is equal to 15. Okay, substituting the value of x in the first equation, we get 45 minus y is equal to 40, which implies that y is equal to 5. So therefore, total number of questions Yash gave in the test, okay, sorry, total number of questions in the test is equal to x plus y. So x plus y is how much? 20 questions. It hardly is taking 3 minutes. Tell me, is it clear to everybody?
Yes, sir.
Done? Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next question, beta. A fraction becomes 1 by 3. So whenever the question is on fraction, you will write let the fraction be, how you will write? Let the fraction be x upon y. So a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. That means you will write according to question, 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So x minus 1 upon y is equal to, it becomes 1 by 3. And it becomes 1 by 4 when 8 is added to the denominator. That means x upon y plus 8 is equal to 1 by 4. So you can do the cross multiplication. So you will get 3x. Now y when multiplied by 1 will come on this side. So minus y is equal to 1. This 1 will go on the other side. And this equation will be 4 times x is going to be 4x. Y times 1 is going to be 1. So minus y is equal to 8. Are you able to understand these two equations? Aditi, Vartika, Aradhya, Kritik, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Any doubt, please ask me. So you can subtract the equation. So 4 minus 3 is x is equal to 8 minus 1 is 7. Okay? Let us.
माइनस वाई किससे मल्टीप्लाई करता है?
कुछ मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया, दोनों में माइनस वाई है ना, तो सीधे माइनस कर दिया है.
जो x माइनस 1/y था वो 3x माइनस
सॉरी ये 3 हो जाएगा बच्चों, गलती होगी मेरे से, सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी। देखो बेटा 3 को जब मैंने इससे मल्टीप्लाई किया तो 3x माइनस 3 हुआ ये, और ये y हो जाएगा बेटा, ये y इधर आएगा तो 3x माइनस वाई और माइनस 3 उधर चलाएगा तो प्लस 3 हो जाएगा। ठीक है अदिति, आ रहा है समझ में?
yes
ओके, so we will subtract, we will get 4x minus 3x is x is equal to 5. Substituting the value of x is 5, we get 3 times 5 minus y is equal to 3, so y will come out as 12. So the fraction is, therefore the fraction is 5 by 12. Let us check the fraction. So a fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 1 is subtracted from the numerator. So if I subtract 5 minus 1 by 12, is it becoming 1 by 3? The answer is yes. If I add 12 in the denominator, 5 by 12 plus 8, is it becoming 5 by 20, which is 1 by 4? The answer is yes. So the answer is also correct. So the fraction is 5 by 12. Understood? Tell me.
yes sir
Any doubt? No? Okay. Moving on to the next one. Next question. Places A and B are 100 apart on a highway. So let this be A, let this be B, and the distance between them is 100 km. One car starts from A and another from B at the same time. If the cars travels in the same direction, so car A is traveling in this direction, B is also traveling in this direction, okay, at different speeds, they meet in 5 hours. So what is the condition that A should meet B? Tell me, what is the condition that A should meet B? On what condition? See, A is behind B, we are both moving in the same direction. What is the condition that A will meet B for sure?
that A की speed ज़्यादा होगी
So speed of A must be greater than speed of B, okay? So now when they are both moving in the same direction, the speed is going to be subtracted. Suppose this is moving as x speed, this is y, so the relative speed is going to be x minus y. Are you getting this? Anybody having any doubt on that? Let me explain you this. See this. Let us suppose that A is moving in this direction and it is moving at a speed of 60 km per hour. Let us assume that B is also moving in the same direction and it is moving with a speed of 45 km per hour. Can you tell me what is the distance traveled by this A in 1 hour, in 2 hours? What will be the distance covered by A in 2 hours? Can you tell me? 120 km. What will be the distance covered by B in 2 hours? 90. What is the distance between them? The distance between them is 30 km. Why it is 30? Because 16 minus 45 is 15. So the relative speed was 15 because somebody is going at a higher speed, but I am also going like that in the same direction. So the speed will be reduced. Are you getting it? Tell me.
yes sir
Okay. So we will write, let the speed of car A and car B be x kilometer per hour and y kilometer per hour. After that you will write according to question. According to question, what is happening? So we are saying that what is the speed? So they are meeting in how much time? 5 hours. So that means 5 times time into speed. Speed is what? Here we can write x is greater than y. So 5 times x minus y is how much? 100 kilometer. This is the distance they have covered. Are you getting it? Because they are just, the difference is 100 kilometer. So that means they are traveling in the same direction, but with the speed of, what is the relative speed of A? It is x minus y. So it is meeting with this in 5 hours. That means it has covered 100 kilometer. It has reduced the gap of 100 kilometer in 5 hours. So 5 hours with this speed x minus y, it has covered 100 kilometer. Now if they are moving towards each other, they meet in 1 hour. That means 1 times x plus y is 100. So we can directly add them. So we will, no, we cannot add them. We will divide the first equation by 5. We will divide the first equation by 5. We will get x minus y is equal to 20. And then we can add the equation. So y will be cancelled. So you will have 2x is equal to 120. Implies that x is going to be 60 kilometer per hour. And when you put x equal to 60, y is going to be 40 kilometer per hour. What is being asked? Speed of the two cars. So the speed of two car, therefore speed of car A is equal to 60 kilometer per hour, and speed of car B is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. Any doubt? Done? बताओ बच्चों, क्लियर है? कृतिक, is it clear बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Moving on. Next question. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units, breadth is increased by 3 units. So what is the first statement that I will write? Let, what is being asked? Dimensions. So let the length and breadth of the rectangle be x and y meter. Okay, units. Don't write meter because it is mentioned as units only. So according to question, if the length is increased, if the area of a rectangle is reduced by 9. So what is the area of a rectangle? It is xy. Are you getting it? Area is how much? Xy. So xy reduced by 9. So xy minus 9. How xy minus 9? If the length is reduced by 5, that means x minus 5, and the breadth is increased by 3, that means into y plus 3. So when we will multiply this, we will get xy plus 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to xy minus 9. Xy will get cancelled out. So the equation is going to be 3x minus 5y is equal to 15 minus 9, which is 6. Then second equation. What is the second equation we will have? If we increase the length by 3 units, that means I will make it x plus 3, and the breadth by 2 units, that means y plus 2. The area is increased by 67 units, that means 67. Very good. Now we will open this beta. So we will have xy plus 2x plus 3y plus 6. Kritik, are you there beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you are not saying anything beta. Are you fine?
I'm fine.
Okay. So we need to solve this equation, so we can eliminate, what we can eliminate? I can eliminate x by multiplying the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 3. So when I will multiply this by 2, I will get 6x minus 10y is equal to 12. And when I multiply this by 3, I will get 6x plus 9y is equal to 6 into 1 is 6, 6 into 6 is 36. So that means I am going to subtract this equation. So when I will subtract the first from the second, I will get 19y. See if you are able to understand this. I will get 9 minus minus 10 is 19y is equal to 66 plus 12 is 78. So 378. So y is going to be no, when I will subtract, it will not be 366 plus, they will not be added, it will be subtraction. So 354. So 354 by 19. So 19 times 1 is 19 and so some problem is there. Why I multiplied this by 6, my god. I should have multiplied this by 3. So 3 into 1 is 3, 3 into 6 is 18. That's why the answer was not coming. So 9 minus minus 10 is 19y is equal to 183 minus 12 is how much? 171. So y is coming as 9. So if y is coming as 9, you can substitute the value of y in any one of the equation. Let us say this equation. So you will have 6x minus 90 is equal to 12. So 6x is equal to 102. So x is equal to 17. Okay. So that means this is going to be 17 and the breadth is going to be 9. Let us check it. So if I reduce this by 5, that means it has become 12, and increase the length and increase this by 3, that means 12. So 12 times 10, 12 is how much? 144, which is 9 less than 153. 17 times 9 is how much? 153. 153 minus 144 is 9 units. So it is reduced by 9, correct. Okay, let us assume for the second part. So if the length is increased by 3 units, 3 units means 17 plus 3 will become 20 and 9 plus 2 will become 11. So 11 times 20 is how much? 220. So 220 minus 153 is how much? 67? Yes. So our answer is also correct. Understood? See, in 6 minutes we have easily done it. Tell me, Vartika, Aradhya, Aditi, Kritik, is it clear, beta?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move on to the next one?
Yes, sir.
The ages of two friends, Ani and Biju, differ by 3 years. So whenever there is a question on age, I have made you write let, what you will write? Let the present age, let the present age of
X and Y for Ani and Biju respectively.
two friends Ani and Biju be X and Y respectively. Okay, according to question, while X greater than Y, so Anis differ by 3 years. So that means X minus Y is equal to 3. And Ani's father Dhram is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. Okay. So what is the age of the Ani's father? What is the age of Dharam? So age of Dharam is how much? Twice as old as Ani. That means it is 2x. And what is the age of Kathy? The age of Kathy is Ani and Dharam is twice as old as Ani and Biju is twice as old as his sister Kathy. So Kathy is half of Biju. Are you getting it? Biju is twice, so Kathy is half of Biju. So according to question, what we can say, the difference between Dharam and Kathy 30. So Dharam is older, so 2x minus half y is equal to 30. Okay, so let us solve this. So the first equation I will multiply by 2. So I will get 2x minus 2y is equal to 6. So why I am getting negative? When I will subtract this, no, this is going to be positive, correct. So when I will subtract this, this will become positive, this will become negative. So 2 minus half is how much? 2 minus half is 1 and half. 1 and half means 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 y is equal to 30 minus 6 is 24. That means y is going to be 116. Y is going to be 16 years. We can substitute the value of 16 in this case. So we will get 2x minus 8 is equal to 30. That means x is going to be 11 years. 30 minus 8 is 22. 22 by 2 is 11. So sorry. This is going to be 30 plus 8. 30 plus 8 is 38. 38 by 2 is 19. So x is going to be 19 years. Let's verify. So 19 minus 16 is 3. That is correct. Ani's father Dharam is 38 years. Dharam is how much? 38 years. And Biju is twice as old. So Biju is how much? Biju's sister is 8 years. So 30 minus 8 is 30. That's also correct. That means we are fulfilling both the conditions. So our answer is correct. Clear? Kritik, Vartika, Aradhya, Aditi, batao.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question. One say, give me 100, a friend. I shall then become twice as rich as you. The other replies, if you give me 10, I shall become 6 times as rich as you. Tell me what is the amount of their respective capital. It's very beautiful question framed. So let us say, let the amount with two friends be x and y respectively. Understood? So what is x saying? X is saying that give me 100 friend. That means according to question, if x is gaining 100 rupees, okay, x is gaining 100 rupees and y is losing 100 rupees. Are you getting it? If y is giving 100 to x, y is having y minus 100, x will have x plus 100. Are you getting this? आराध्या, अगर आप मुझे 100 रुपए दोगे तो आपके पास 100 रुपए कम हो जाएंगे, मेरे पास 100 रुपए बढ़ेंगे. So x will have x plus 100, y will have y minus 100. So I shall become, he will become twice as old as rich you. Twice as rich as you. That means it will become 2 times y minus 100. Are you getting it? So we can make the equation as x minus 2y. I will bring this 2y on this side. Take 100 on the other side, minus 300. Understood? Second equation. Second equation says that if you give me 10, that means x minus 10 and y plus 10, y will become y plus 10. I shall become, he will become 6 times as rich as you. So he is x minus 10, so 6 times like this. So the equation you will have is 6x minus y is equal to minus 60 will go on the other side, plus 10 will become plus 70. So you can multiply this equation by 2, so you will get 12x minus 2y is equal to 2 times 70 is 140. And the first equation is x minus 2y is equal to 300. Why I am getting negative here again? So 12 minus x is going to be 11x. No. Okay, this is minus 300, sorry. So 12 minus 100 is how much? 11x. 12 minus x is 11x is equal to 140 and 300 is 440. So x is going to be 11 times 4 is 40. So if I substitute the value of x here, in any equation you can replace in this. So we will have 40 minus 40 plus 300 is going to be 2y. So y is going to be 340 by 2. So it is 170. So how much money y is having? 170. Are you getting it? The amount of money with the first person is 40. The amount of money with the second one is 170. Let's verify the answer. Let us verify the answer. So if x will have 100, he will get 140 and it will be having 70. You can see it is the double of it. Are you getting it? And if x will give 10, this will be 180 and this will become 30. So it is 6 times. Yes, that is also correct. That means both the statements are being verified. Aradhya, tell me beta, understood?
Yes, sir.
Kritik, clear? Okay. Next question beta. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km per hour faster, it would have been 2 hours less than the scheduled time. And if the train were slower by 10 km per hour, it would have taken 3 hours more than the scheduled time. Okay, find the distance covered by the train. Okay. So how many unknown we have? We don't know the time, sorry, we don't know the speed, we don't know the distance. So let the distance covered by the train is equal to x kilometer, and let the uniform speed is equal to y kilometer per hour. Okay. So what is the normal time beta? Normal time taken will be x upon y, distance upon speed. So they are saying that the trains cover a certain distance at a uniform speed. Okay, let us, it covers a x distance at y speed. If the train would have been 10 km faster, that means if the speed is y plus 10, that means x upon y plus 10. If the speed is x upon y plus 10, it would have taken 2 hours less than the scheduled time. That means what is the scheduled time? Scheduled time is x upon y. So if I add 2 hours to this, I will get is equal to x upon y. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what I can do is, okay, let's do the second equation. What is the second equation saying? And if the train were slower by 10 km, that means x upon y minus 10. Okay, it will take 3 hours more. So that means I have to subtract minus 3 from this. Rather, I should have done it like this: minus x upon y is equal to, but this is forming a quadratic equation. I think there is some problem in this. Y times y plus 10 will become a quadratic now. A train covered a certain distance at a uniform speed. If the train would have been 10 km faster, so y plus 10 times okay, let me try this. The speed, let us say the speed is y plus 10 times. The time taken is x upon y. Okay, y plus 10 times x upon y plus 2. is equal to, let's skip this question, we will do it later on. Please mention this question, okay? It's important. We will discuss this. I don't want to waste the time on this. If the students of the class are made to stand in rows, if three students are extra in a row, there would be one row less. If three students are less in row, there would be two rows more. Find the number of students in the class. Okay. So let the number of rows and column be x and y respectively. So how many students are there then? X into y, are you getting it? If there are x rows and y columns, the total students are x into y. So they are saying that if 3 students are extra in a row, that means x plus 3. No, if 3 students are extra in a row, so in a row if 3 students are increasing, it is the column which is increasing. So that means y plus 3, there would be one row less. So row is less means x minus 1 will be equal to xy. Are you getting it? The total students will remain same only. The total number of students will remain same. Now, the second case, if 3 students are less in a row means you are reducing the column by 3. There will be 2 rows more. The rows will increase by 2. So x plus 2 into y minus 3 is equal to xy. So from here the equation will come out as xy plus 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to xy. Xy will get cancelled. So you will have, I am writing here, 3x minus y is equal to 3. From the second equation I will open this, I will get xy minus 6 plus 2y minus 3x is equal to xy. So xy will get cancelled, so I will have minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. I just need to add the equation, so I will get y is equal to 9. So how many columns are there? 9. So when I put 9 here, I will get 3x is equal to 12. So x is going to be 4. That means the number of rows is 4. So what is being asked? The number of students. So therefore number of students is 36. Let us verify the answer. So if 3 students are extra in a row, that means 12. So you will be one row less because 12 times 3 is 36. And if 3 students are less in a row, that means 6. 6 times 6 is 36. Yeah, answer is also verified. Tell me. Anybody having any doubt? बताओ बच्चों. Kritik, are you getting it, beta?
Sir, can you explain once again?
Okay. I am saying that let this be the columns and this be the row. Are you getting it? These are the rows and these are the columns. We don't know how many rows and columns they have. So we have assumed that they have x rows and they have y columns. Are you getting it? So the number of students will be how much? Suppose there is, let us say there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 students in single row. So in 2 row, how many students you will have? 10.
10.
In 3, how many you will have? 15. In x, how many you will have? 5x. But since you don't know 5 as well, I don't know how much this is. So the total students will be xy. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the number of student is xy. This is you have understood this. But the number of students will remain same even if you change the row and the column. So they are saying if 3 students are extra in a row, so if in a row you increased 3 students, that means you have increased the column. You have increased the column. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So that means y plus 3 times x minus 1, there is one row less, is equal to xy. So when you open this, you will get xy plus 3x minus y minus 3 is equal to xy. So xy and xy will get cancelled. So 3x minus y is equal to 3. Alright. Then the second equation, beta. Second equation, they said if you decrease the number of students by 3, the number of rows will be more. So again when you solve this, you will get xy minus 3x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to xy. This will get cancelled. So minus 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. So this equation and this equation, when I will add, 3x will be cancelled, minus y plus 2y is going to be y is equal to 9. When I put y is equal to 9 in any of this equation, let us say in this equation, so 2 times 9 is 18, 18 minus 6 is 12, so x will come out as 4. So the total students is going to be 36.
Okay, sir.
Clear है वर्तिका? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next question. In triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 3 times angle B, which is equal to 2 times angle A plus B. So we know that angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much? 180 degree. So we will write in two equations. So angle C is 3 times angle B. So I will replace this by angle B. So 3 times angle B plus angle B, I will write it as it is, angle B, and angle A. How I am going to write angle A? See this from this equation, just see this. So 3 times angle B is equal to 2 times angle A plus 2 times angle B. So that means this will come on this side. So that means angle B is equal to 2 times angle A. That means angle A is equal to angle B by 2. So instead of angle A, I will write angle B by 2, which is equal to 180. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 and half. 4 and half is how much? 9 by 2. So 9 by 2 times angle B is equal to 180. So that means angle B is going to be 40. So once you found angle B, angle C is coming out as 3 times 40 is 120. So 120 plus 40 is 160. So angle A is 20 degree. Easy question. This is a easy question. All right. Any doubt? Tell me, beta, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay. Let's move on to the next question. अच्छा, I want to ask you, बेटा, अभी तक आपका क्वेश्चन आया वो आराध्या कि अभी तक नहीं आया?
वो जो मतलब क्वेश्चन बताया था मैंने ऑफिस में गया था उसका समथिंग ग्राफ था उसमें ऐसी इक्वेशन दे रखी थी और मैंने थर्ड इक्वेशन निकालनी थी आपको बाद में भेज दूंगी।
चलो वो भी करते हैं, वो भी आएगा, ठीक है? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं बेटा. So you know the property of a cyclic quadrilateral. ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral. Find the angles of the cyclic quadrilateral.
For this side का sum 180 degree है।
Very good. So the first equation you will have is 3y plus 20 minus 4x is equal to 180. So that means minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 160. इधर से जोड़ दें बेटा 7x plus 5 3y minus 5. So that means 7x plus 3y और 5 और minus 5 तो कैंसिल हो जाएंगे is equal to 180. Okay, so 3y दोनों कैंसिल हो जाएंगे, so we can just subtract them. So I will get 11x is equal to 18 plus 16 is 34. ये तो कट नहीं रहा है. Again let me check. So 3y plus 20 minus 4x is equal to 180. So 3y minus 4x plus 3y is equal to 160. Okay. Second equation, 7x plus 3y is equal to 180. Okay. So when I will subtract the equation, 7 minus 4x is going to be 11x, and 180 minus 60 is 20. So x is coming as 20 by 11. ये फिगर गलत बनी है क्या? क्योंकि ये तो -4x आ रहा है. एंगल नेगेटिव कैसे हो सकता है? 7x plus 3y is equal to 180 minus 4x plus 3y plus 20. चलो ये क्वेश्चन भी मार कर ले बेटा, इसको भी देखेंगे. क्वेश्चन भी गलत हो जाते हैं कई बार. ओके, इट कैन टेक, अभी तक दो क्वेश्चन हमें नहीं आए ना, एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 नहीं आया और एक क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 नहीं आया. 12 था ना वो क्वेश्चन नंबर, कौन सा था क्वेश्चन नंबर? हैव यू नोटेड व्हिच क्वेश्चन वाज दैट?
Sir, the question the question which you didn't know.
Yeah, the question I told you to discuss the later on.
Sir, 12th one.
यही था ना वो? Okay. It can take 12 hours to fill a swimming pool using the two pipes. If the pipe of the larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of the smaller diameter is used for 9 hours, only half the pool can be filled. How long would it take for each pipe to fill the pool separately? So let the time taken by smaller and larger pipe be x and y hours respectively. तो बताओ कौन बड़ा होगा, x बड़ा है कि y? Which is greater? x is greater or y is greater? Obviously छोटी वाली पाइप ज्यादा टाइम लेगी. So x is greater than y. So it takes 12 hours to fill a swimming pool. So the time taken by the pipe to fill in 1 hour is how much? 1 by x. Okay. So that means 1 by x plus 1 by y is equal to 1 by 12. Are you getting it? If both the pipes run together, they fill it in 12 hours. So in 1 hour, how much they are filling? 1 by 12 only. So 1 hour is 1 by 12. If the pipe of the larger diameter is used for 4 hours, for 4 hours means it is used for 4 hours, so 4 by x plus larger diameter is y, and the smaller diameter is used for 9 hours. They fill only the half part of the pool. Half part of the pool means how much if they together fill the 1 by 12, so this will be equal to 1 by 6. Are you getting it? Because if the job is being completed in 12 hours, how much job is completed in if the half job is done, how much time it would have taken? 1/6. Are you getting it, Aradhya?
Yes, sir.
Kritik, are you getting it, beta? So what we will do, 1/x is u, 1/y is v. So u plus v is equal to 1/12. So 9u plus 4v is equal to 1/6. So we can write this as 4u plus 4v is equal to 4/12, which is 1/3. So when I will subtract, I will get 5u is equal to,
मतलब जिसके भी नीचे लाइक डिनोमिनेटर में कोई x है या फिर y है तो एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन के लिए u और v लेना है।
हाँ u और v ले लो, p और q ले लो, कुछ भी ले लो बेटा। पर एक गड़बड़ मुझे लग रही है इसमें कुछ। If the pipe of the larger diameter is used for 4 hours and the pipe of the smaller diameter is used for 9 hours, that means 9 hours means in 1 hour it is filling 1/x, in 9 hours it is filling 9/x. So in 4 hours it is filling 4/y. Only the half pool can be filled. Half pool can be filled means, what is the half of 1/12? It is 1/24, my dear. See the blunder I made. I thought I'm making half of it. It is not the half of it. Are you getting it? Tell me. अगर कोई पूल 12 घंटे में भर रहा है मिलके, फिर से सुनना मेरी बात, अगर पूल 12 घंटे में मिलके भर रहा है और मैंने पूल का सिर्फ आधा ही पानी भरा है, तो कितना टाइम मैंने खर्च किया उसमें? ये वाली बात थोड़ी सी गड़बड़ लग रही है मुझे। बताओ कोई तुम में से है कोई ज्ञानी? Kritik, suggest me something. What should I write here? It should be 1/6 or not? Or it should be 1/24? If half of the pool is being filled, that means half of the pool is being filled. So if the pool is completely filled, we say that 1/12.
सर सही है।
सही है दे? This is सही?
यस सर।
Okay. So let us try to solve it. Then we will get the solution is right or not. So u plus v is equal to 12 and 9u plus 4v is equal to, oh sorry, this is 1/12. It is 1/24. So the first equation will become 4u plus 4v is equal to 1/3. पर 1/3 में से 1/, सही तो नहीं है बेटा।
सर ये 1/2 होगा ना?
1/2 कैसे होगा? अगर मैंने आधा पूल भर दिया तो मैंने कितना टाइम यूज किया बेटा? छह घंटे यूज किए। कोई काम मिलके 12 घंटे में हो रहा है और अगर वो आधा काम हुआ है तो कितने घंटे काम हुआ है? बोलो। अच्छा ये हाफ होगा, तुम कह रही हो, एक काम है ना, ये हाफ होगा, बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो तुम। दिस विल बी हाफ। ये तो काम है ना बेटा उस। ओके, सो द पूल का 1/12 हिस्सा 1 घंटे में भरता है, तो यहां बोला आधा पूल भर गया, सो दिस शुड बी हाफ। वेरी गुड। किसने बोला? वर्तिका ने।
यस।
वेरी गुड वर्तिका। कृतिक, आर यू गेटिंग इट? आराध्या, आर यू गेटिंग इट बेटा? This is not the time, this is the amount of work that is being done. together in 1 hour. So this is the together work done is half. So this will be 9u plus 4v is equal to half. So the first equation, if I multiply by 4, I will get 4u plus 4v is equal to 1 by 3. So when I will subtract this, I will get 9 minus 4 is 5u is equal to half minus 1 by 3. LCM is 6, 3 minus 2 is 1. So u is going to be 1 by, u is what? 1 by x and 1 by y is v. So that means x is coming as what? 30. X is what? 30. Are you getting it? So let us calculate v now. So 4 times 30 we can substitute in this equation. So 1 by 30 plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by 12. So v is going to be 1 by 12 minus 1 by 30. So LCM is 60, 12 times 5, 30 times 2. So 3 by 60. So v is coming 3 by 60, that means v is 1 by 20. I got v as 1 by 20. Just check your solution. So y will come as 20. That means the larger pipe is taking 30 hours and the smaller pipe is taking 20 hours to fill the pool separately. So if I run this for 4 hours, this will become 4 by 30. No, I have to run this by 9 hours. So 9 by 30 plus 4 by 20. Is it half? So 3 by 10. So 2 by 10. 3 plus 2 is 5 by 10. Yes, this is half only. Correct. The answer is correct. And together if I do 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30, 20 times 3, 30 times 2, yes, it is 12 hours, correct. The answer is correct. The larger pipe is taking how much time? 30 hours, and the smaller pipe is taking 20 hours. Understood? Let's move on to the next one. Jamila sold a table and the chair for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on the table and 25% on the chair. If she had taken a profit of 25% on the table and 10% on the chair, she would have got rupees 1065. Find the cost price. Okay. So let the cost price of, what is that, chair and table be x and y respectively. Okay, let the cost price of the chair and table be x and y respectively. Jamila sold a table and chair for rupees 1050, thereby making a profit of 10% on the table. So table is sold on what price? 110 by 100x plus 25% on the chair. Oh sorry, chair is x. First is chair and then is table, so we have to replace it. So 125 by 100x plus 110 by 100y is equal to, profit is how much? 1050. Again in the second case we will say if she had taken profit on 10%, opposite. So 110x by 100 plus 125 by 100 times y is equal to 1065. बोलो बेटा ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, तुमको दिख रहा है कुछ? आराध्या उसने समझाया था बेटा, ax plus by, bx plus ay. Special case. Very good. So when you will add them, 125 plus 110 will be how much? 235 by 100 times x plus y is equal to, so this is 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, so 1 plus 1 is 2, दैट मीन्स x प्लस वाई कितना हो जाएगा बेटा 2115 डिवाइड बाई 235 इंटू 100. ओके, सो मुझे लग रहा है 9 टाइम्स जाएगा. दिस विल गो 9 टाइम्स. लेट अस सी. 9 into 5 is 45, 9 into 3 is 27, 27 plus 4 is 31, 18 plus 3 21. You can see, okay, it is going 9 times. How I got to know? Sir, आपको कैसे पता 9 times है? See this. If I divide 21 by 2, the maximum I can get is 10. So it will become 2350. But it is not 2350. I tried with 9 times. So x plus y is how much? 900. Now when we subtract this, 25 minus 10 is how much? 15. That means 15 by 100 times x minus y is going to be 50 minus the minus 15. That means you will get 15 and 15 will get cancelled. So x minus y is equal to minus 100. So you can add them, so you will get 2x is equal to 800, implies that x is equal to 400. You can replace the value of x in any equation, in this equation, so you will get y is equal to 500. So the cost of chair is 400 and the cost of table is 500. Understood beta?
सर इक्वेशन किसी वाली कौन सा होगा?
ये वाली?
यस सर.
तो बेटा अगर मान लो कृतिक, हैव यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ द इक्वेशन वाज मेड? Okay, then I have to teach you the profit and loss as well. Just give me a minute. Okay, किस किस को ये इक्वेशन नहीं समझ में आई कैसे बनेगी? किसी को भी नहीं आई? आराध्या? अच्छा. Okay, Vartika and Kritik, please tell me, if I bought something at X rupees, okay, and I'm selling at the 100% of it, will I be getting any profit or loss? No. Vartika बताओ बेटा, 100 रुपए की कोई चीज खरीदी, 100% में ही बेच दी, कोई प्रॉफिट लॉस मिलेगा? उसने बोला कि किसी प्रॉफिट में बेचा है. कितने प्रॉफिट में बेचा है बेटा बताओ?
10%.
10%. तो 100 प्लस 10% कितना हुआ बेटा?
110%.
सो 110% ऑफ x, ये सेलिंग प्राइस हुआ ना बेटा, प्रॉफिट हुआ ना ये उसका. अरे मैंने गड़बड़ कर दिया क्या? सिर्फ मुझे 10% ऑफ x लिखना था. सॉरी सॉरी सॉरी, वो तो सेलिंग प्राइस आ गया हमारा. सॉरी, वेरी सॉरी, रियली सॉरी. द क्वेश्चन वाज कंप्लीटली डन रॉन्ग. गुड क्वेश्चन वर्तिका, ये किसी ने पूछा नहीं, बट द क्वेश्चन इटसेल्फ इज कंप्लीटली रॉन्ग. आंसर मेरे ख्याल से 1 0 कम आएगा. लेट अस सी, देखते हैं एक बार. नहीं, इसको यहीं रहने देते हैं, उसको फिर से करते हैं. ओके, सो प्रॉफिट कितना था बेटा बताओ? व्हाट इज द प्रॉफिट ऑन कॉस्ट प्राइस? मान लो क्या बोलते हैं, कॉस्ट प्राइस x एंड y है, सो दैट मीन्स 10% ऑफ x, 25% प्रॉफिट है ना बेटा. तो 25 by 100 ऑफ x प्लस 10% ऑफ y, प्रॉफिट कितना था बेटा? टोटल प्रॉफिट कितना था? 1050. ओके, नहीं, हमने इक्वेशन सही बनाई है. ओके, ठीक है. ओके, नाउ टेल मी वर्तिका, प्रॉफिट नहीं बोला है बेटा उसने, सोल्ड पूछा है. ओके वर्तिका बताओ मुझे कि इफ आई एम सेलिंग समथिंग एट 100%, दैट मीन्स एम आई गेटिंग एनी प्रॉफिट और लॉस? नो. If I am selling something at 10 profit of 10%, then at what is the selling price beta? It is 100% or it is 110%? Tell me. What is the selling price? 110%. If I am selling something at loss of 10%, that what is the selling price beta? it is 90% of x. Are you getting this?
Yes.
Now they have told the selling price. They have given us the selling price. So selling price is how much? 1050. And this selling price is because of the profit that they made on table and chair. So that means they sold at 125% of chair plus 110% of table. Together the selling price is 1050. Understood? Vartika?
Yes.
Okay Aditi beta. ठीक है. Bye 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 Aditi. And then you can write 110% of x plus 125% of y is equal to how much? कितना था बेटा दोबारा? 1065. So one time I will add the equation. So 125 plus 110 is how much beta? 235% of, you will get a special case x plus y is equal to how much this is beta? So 5, 6 plus 5 is 11, 1, 2115. So x plus 5 y is how much? 2115 into 100 divided by 235. So it is coming as 900. आया समझ में बेटा?
Yes.
फिर हम सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे बेटा. तो 25 में से 10 सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे तो कितना हो जाएगा? 15% ऑफ x minus y is equal to negative 15. So x minus y is equal to negative 100. So when we will solve these two equations, we will get the solution as x is equal to 800, y is equal to 100. नहीं, x is equal to कितना आया था बेटा? 400 and y is coming as 500. Understood? आराध्या आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. The angles of a triangle are x, y and 40. The difference between the two angles is, so you can easily do x plus y is 140 and x minus y is how much? 30. Okay, so 2x is equal to 70. So x is going to be 170. So x is going to be 85 and y is going to be 55. Understood? Easy? आराध्या आ रहा है समझ में? 2 years ago Salim was thrice as old as his daughter. So let the present age of Salim, अब मैं short में लिख रहा हूँ. Let the present age of Salim and his daughter be x and y respectively. So 2 years ago सलीम कितने का होगा बेटा? x minus 2 का 3 times y minus 2. Are you getting it? उसने बोला ना thrice है. And 6 years later, so x plus 6 will be, he will be 4 years elder than twice her age. तो उसकी एज कितनी हो जाएगी? y plus 6 और 4 years older means you have to add 4 to it. Are you getting it? Let us solve it. So x minus 3y, 3y इधर आ जाएगा, is equal to minus 2 will go on the other side. So minus 6 plus 2 is minus 4. Then x minus 2y is equal to 2 into 6 is 12, 12 plus 4 is 16, 16 minus 6 is 10. So you can simply subtract the equation. So you will get minus y is equal to minus 14. So y will come as 14 putting y is equal to 14. 14 times 2 is 28. 28, so x will come as 38 years. Let us check the solution. 2 years ago, how much he was? 36. 12. 12 times 3 is 36. Correct. Then 6 years from now, he will be 44. He will be 20. So 20 times 2 is 40 plus 4. 4 years older than twice her age. Are you getting it? आ रहा है समझ में? The answer is verified. कृतिक, आराध्या, वर्तिका, बताओ बच्चों.
Yes.
हाँ यस सर आ रहा है.
आराध्या बोर तो नहीं होगी? बोलो.
फालतू चैप्टर है.
क्या बोल रही हो? फालतू चैप्टर है.
हाँ.
ये तो बोर्ड एग्जाम तक हमें करना था, इतना तुमने बोल दिया कल टेस्ट है तो मैं उसी हिसाब से तैयारी कर रहा हूँ तुम्हारी. तुम नहीं बोलती तो मैं नहीं कर रहा था. द एज ऑफ द फादर. अभी हमें कितने क्वेश्चंस करने हैं? करीब और 20 क्वेश्चन और है. कितना टाइम हुआ है? 1.5 घंटा हुआ है, पौने 2 घंटा. द एज ऑफ द फादर इज ट्वाइस. अब मैं जल्दी जल्दी करूं?
यस सर.
चलो देखो ध्यान से. द एज ऑफ द फादर इज ट्वाइस द सम ऑफ द एज ऑफ द 2 चिल्ड्रन. ये तो अलग ही क्वेश्चन हो गया. आफ्टर 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of the ages of his children. Okay, find the age of the father. So let the age of 2 children be, नहीं age of father पूछा है. Okay, let the age of,
फादर की एज को एक वेरिएबल ले लेना, सब को एक वेरिएबल.
ठीक है, तो सम को एक वेरिएबल ले लेते हैं और फादर की एज को x मान लेते हैं. फादर एज इज ट्वाइस द सम ऑफ द एजेस ऑफ द 2 चिल्ड्रन. दैट मीन्स x इज इक्वल टू 2y. ये सम हो गया. आफ्टर 20 years his age will be equal to the sum of 20 years के बाद ये क्या हो जाएगा बेटा? x plus 20. ये किसके बराबर हो जाएगा? अभी उनकी एज y है तो y plus 20. आर यू गेटिंग इट? y plus 40 हो जाएगा बेटा. दोनों की एज 20 बढ़ेगी ना. यही कैच है इसमें. आराध्या, वर्तिका, कृतिक, आर यू गेटिंग इट बेटा? सी, both of them will gain 20 years after 20 years. So this will be y plus not 20, y plus 40. That means x is equal to y plus 20. This 20 you can cancel. So you can fill from here. So y plus 20 is equal to 2y. So y is 20. So we put y is equal to 20. So x is coming as 40 years. Understood? Clear है? Present age of father is 40 years. Two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. If 8 is subtracted from each of the numbers, the ratio becomes 4:5. So two numbers are in the ratio 5:6. Let the number be 5x and 6x. If 8 is subtracted from each of the number, that means 5x minus 8 and 6x minus 8, the ratio becomes 4:y. That means 5x minus 8 upon 6x minus 8 is equal to 4/5. Find the numbers. So 5 into 5 is 25x minus 40 is equal to 6 into 4 is 24x minus 32. So I will take 24 here and I will take 40 on the other side. So x is coming as 8. So if x is coming as 8, the two numbers are 40 and 48. All right? Are you getting it बेटा? Clear है? 40 में से 8 घटा तो 32 हो जाएगा, इसमें से घटा तो 32/40 4/5 हो जाएगा. सही है. Next question. A shopkeeper gives book on rent for reading. She takes the fixed charge for the first 2 days and additional charge for each day thereafter. अब देखो 2 दिनों के बाद से शुरुआत हुई है. Latika paid ₹22 for the book kept for 6 days. So let the fixed charge be y. तो अगर किसी ने 6 डेज बुक रखी है तो कितने दिन का चार्ज लिया जाएगा उससे, बताओ। शुरू के 2 दिन करे तो उसने उतना ही पे करना है, वाई। सो इफ somebody is keeping for 6 days, what, how much, for how many days he has to pay बेटा, चार्ज पर डे?
चार्ज पर डे
चार्ज पर डे को x मान लेते हैं, तो 4 दिन के लिए देना पड़ेगा, क्योंकि 2 दिन का तो उसने y पे कर दिया ना। Kritik, are you getting it बेटा? 4x plus y is equal to 22. How 4x plus y is 22? Because for 6 days, 2 days, she has given y rupees as a fixed charge for the first 2 days. And the additional charge for each day is for 4 days. So this is 22, while Anand paid rupees 16 for the book kept for 4 days. So that means this is 2x plus y is equal to 16. That means you can multiply this equation by 2. So you will get 4x plus 2y is equal to 32. So you can subtract. So you will get y is equal to 22 minus 22 is 10. So for first 2 days the charge is 10 and 4x is equal to 22 minus 10 is 12. So x is equal to 3 and charge per day is 3. Are you getting it? Any doubt?
No, sir.
There are some students in the 2 examination hall A and B. To make the number of students equal in each hall, 10 students are sent from A to B. Okay, so let us say in hall A there are x students, in hall B there are y students. So that means if I want to make it equal, 10 students were sent from A to B. That means x minus 10 must be equal to y plus 10. Are you getting it? But if 20 students are sent from B to A, that means y minus 20 is equal to x plus 20. In that case, what will happen? The number of students in A becomes the double of the students in B. That means this is double of this. So from here we can say x is equal to y plus 20 and we can replace by x by this. So we get y plus 40 is equal to 2y minus 40. So take this on this side and this on this side, so you will have y is equal to 80. You can put y is equal to 80. So x will come as 100. So number of students in hall A is 100. So now see this, if I put 10 here, so 90. Okay, if you are putting 20 here, this is 60, this is 120, so it is double. 60 into 2 is 120. Are you getting it? Kritik, Aradhya, Vartika, बताओ बेटा. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Kritik, you are not saying anything बेटा. So 1 marks is awarded for each correct answer. Let us say number of correct answer is x, number of incorrect answer is y. So x minus half y. Okay. So answered 120 marks. So it is not okay. So we have x plus y is equal to 120. So we can replace x by 120 minus y. So 120 minus y minus half y is equal to how much marks she got? 90. Is equal to 90. So take this on the side, put y on this side. So you will have 30 is equal to 1 plus 1 by 2 is 3 by 2. That means y is equal to 20. So put y is equal to 20, x is equal to 100. Please let me know if you have understood. अब मैं वो नहीं लिख रहा how many correct answers x y वो सब नहीं लिख रहा हूँ मैं. बोलो समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? देख लो आराध्या, आ गया, आगे बढ़े. Okay. The angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. So 6x plus 10 plus 3y minus 10 is equal to 180. So 6x plus 3y is equal to 180. पूरी इक्वेशन को 3 से डिवाइड कर देंगे. 2x plus y is equal to 90, no 60. Next equation, x plus y plus 5x, that means 5 plus 1 is 6x plus y is equal to 180. So इसको 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, so 6x plus 3y is equal to 180. So 2y is equal to 0, y is coming as 0. So if I put y is equal to 0, x is going to be 30 degree. Find x and y. So 30. Okay. X is 30 and y is 0. Easy. Next question. Vijay has some bananas and he divided them into two lots A and B. He sold the first lot at a rate of rupees 2 for 3 bananas. 2 for 3 bananas means 2 by 3 x, and the second lot at the rate of rupees 1 per banana, and got a total of rupees . So 1 banana, second lot, let us say the number of banana in the first one is x, so 2 by 3 times x plus 1y is equal to 400. So if he had sold the first lot at the rate of rupees 1 per banana, that means x plus second lot rupees 4 by 5 times y is equal to 460. Okay, so what I can do is I can multiply the फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाई, किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें बेटा, इस इक्वेशन को 2 by 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाएगा ना. रादर देन वी कैन मल्टीप्लाई द फर्स्ट इक्वेशन बाई, ये सेकेंड इक्वेशन को 5 by 4 से मल्टीप्लाई कर देते तो ये y बन जाएगा. बताओ किससे मल्टीप्लाई करें, इसको 2 by 3 से कर दे मल्टीप्लाई तो x कैंसिल हो जाएगा, पर बहुत कॉम्प्लिकेट हो जाएगा. Let us multiply the first equation by 3 by 2, all right, because 3 by 2 into 2 by 3 will become 1. Are you getting it? So 3 by 2 से multiply करेंगे, this will get cancelled, so you will have x plus 3 by 2y is equal to 200 into 3 is how much? 600. And then you have x plus 4 by 5y is equal to 460. Let us subtract. So this will be cancelled. 3 half minus 4 by 5. So the LCM is going to be 10. 2 times 5, 5 times 3 is 15. Minus 5 into 2, 2 times 4 is 8. Is equal to, this is going to be 40 and 140. So 15 minus 8 is 7. So y is going to be 20 times 10 is 200. So if I put y is equal to 200 here, in any one of the equation, I will get x plus 3 by 2 into 200 is going to be 300, which is 600. That means x is going to be 300. So what is being asked? Total, find his total collection of, what is the question? मेरे ख्याल से यही होगा, वो ठीक से लिखा नहीं गया है इसमें, चैट जीपीटी से मैं टाइप करवा रहा था ना. सो द टोटल नंबर ऑफ बनानास इज हाउ मच बेटा इन द बोथ द लॉट्स. 500 बनाना थे उसके पास, समझ में आ गया. लॉट ए में 300 बनाना थे, लॉट बी में 200 बनाना थे. कृतिक, इज इट क्लियर बेटा? आराध्या, वर्तिका, कृतिक, एनर्जी हारो मत बच्चों. चलो शाबाश, थोड़ा सा खींचना है. Susan invested certain amount of money in two schemes A and B which offer interest at the rate of 108% per annum, 9% per annum respectively. She received 1860 as a annual interest. Annual interest बेटा 1860 है. Simple interest क्या होता है? PRT by 100. So principal हमें नहीं पता. Let us say the principal is x. So 8% of x. Okay. So 8 by 100 of x plus 9 by 100 of y is equal to how much it is? 1860. Okay, and then in the second equation, if you write, if she interchanged the amount of investment in the two schemes, she would have received rupees 20 more as an annual interest. So अगर मैं scheme में पलट दूं, that means 9% of x प्लस 8% ऑफ वाई। सो 20 रुपये ज़्यादा मिलते हैं। आ रही बात समझ में? 20 मोर एज एन एनुअल इंटरेस्ट। हाउ मच मनी डिड शी इन्वेस्ट इन ईच? सो स्पेशल केस है। आर यू रिमेंबरिंग दिस? सो वी विल ऐड देम. So when I add them, I will get 17 by 100x plus y is equal to, वर्तिका आ रहा है समझ में बेटा? 8 6 14 18 18 16 36 1 37. So x plus y is going to be 3740 into 100 by 17. 17 1 is 17 2 is 34, 17 2 is 34. So x plus y is going to be 22000. Now the second equation बेटा. So second equation में इसको माइनस करूंगा, इसमें से इसको माइनस करूंगा, so I will get x minus y is equal to 20. So while adding them, I will get 2x is equal to 22020. So x is going to be 11010. Okay. So y is going to be, इसमें से 20 माइनस करूंगा तो कितना आ जाएगा? 11010 minus 20. So 10990. So 10990. ये इन्वेस्टमेंट होगी. इज इट क्लियर? आराध्या, कृतिक, वर्तिका बताओ, तुम ही तीन हो अब. क्लियर?
Yes.
A shopkeeper sells a sari 8% profit and sweater 10% discount, thereby getting a sum of rupees 1008. तो ये तो सेलिंग प्राइस हुआ ना बेटा. So 108% of x plus 110% of, if she had sold the sari at 10% and sweater at the discount, she would get rupees. Okay. So 110% of y is how much? 1008. सारी 10% प्रॉफिट में बेचती है अगर, ओके नो नो वेट 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 वेट, दिस इज प्रॉफिट, दिस इज डिस्काउंट. डिस्काउंट मीन्स 108 by 100 times x plus discount means opposite 90 by 100 of y, getting the sum as rupees 1008. If she had sold the sari at 10% profit, that means 110 by 100x and 8% discount, sweater discount में बेचा minus 92 by 100 y is equal to 1028. LCM तो बहुत गंदा आ रहा है. So what we can do is, है कोई कॉमन नंबर? मल्टीपल. Let's divide this. So if I divide this, I am going to get 4 times 27. So 27 by 25 times x plus 45 by 50 y is equal to, if I divide this by again, this is simplified this, so is equal to 1008. So this is going to be 55 by 50x plus minus, why I am subtracting, I have to add, so plus 46y by 50 is equal to 1028. Now do you find the LCM of 45 and 46? No, they are consecutive numbers, very big LCM. 27 and 55 is also a very big number. Oh my god, this question is of 5 marks, you will get 10 minutes for this. Let me see if this is the part of the exemplar or not, because I am just randomly doing the questions. Let me see which part of the book is this. Some questions are optional questions, okay? I took some questions from the optionals. pair of linear equations in two variables. Because the calculation is too heavy. आप तब तक अपनी वर्कशीट भेज दो बेटा. Long answer questions. Okay, this is the question, right? So you will get 10 minutes to solve this. Okay? So that's why these are taking a lot of time. So I don't want to waste time on this. How many questions we are left with? So we are left with so many days now. We can do all this. Downstream, upstream तुम्हें सब समझ में आ गया बेटा? कितने क्वेश्चन बच गए हैं? तो अब तुम अपनी किस्मत से कल क्वेश्चन देना. अब तुम अपनी वर्कशीट भेजो, कौन कौन से क्वेश्चन तुम्हें पूछना है वो पूछ लो तुम. बाकी ये फिर हम अगले दिन डिस्कस करेंगे वर्तिका, नहीं तो दिमाग फट जाएगा हमारा. ठीक है, उसका एग्जाम है, तुम्हारा थोड़ी एग्जाम है. अच्छा, फ्रॉम टुमारो ऑनवर्ड्स कृतिक, फॉर मंडे वेडनेसडे फ्राइडे फॉर द करंट वीक, the class will be happening from 7 to 8 for you. Okay, class is 6 to 7, but 6 to 7 is I am teaching GP, geometric progression, for ICSE board. So if you want to understand that part as well, which is going to be introduced you in grade 11, but let me tell you, the same thing has been introduced to grade 9 now this year. So you are lucky. If you have been in grade 9, you should have read that. So the part which is in grade 9 now, for which you are going to study in grade 11, is going to be taught tomorrow from 6 to 7. So if you are ready for that, you can come in that class as well. You can learn a new thing. Okay, Vartika? Huh? But it is not a compulsory. So it is optional. So 6 to 7 I will teach GP. Then from 7 to 8 I will be teaching the part which is being left by you. क्या आराध्या कल आप ज्वाइन करोगे? कल करोगे? ओके. सो कल बेटा आपका क्वेश्चन पेपर डिस्कस करेंगे. टुमारो वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस द क्वेश्चन पेपर ऑफ आराध्या, राइट? सिंपल. नहीं, तुम्हारा मार्क्स कैसा भी आएगा कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. तुम अपना शेयर मत करना. तुम हमें क्वेश्चन पेपर दे देना, मैं तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करूंगा. देखो, सच्चाई से मुंह नहीं मोड़ना है आराध्या. तुम्हारे 0 नंबर भी आएंगे. फेस इट ट्रूली, पूरे ट्रूथफुली, करेज के साथ करो. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता इन सब चीजों से. तुम्हें अपना वो देखना पड़ेगा. तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन पेपर ही डिस्कस होगा कल. ठीक है, अपना क्वेश्चन पेपर तुमको भेजना है. तुमने चाहे जैसा भी किया होगा. चलो, तो अभी तुमने कोई मुझे शीट भेजी है ना? तो जब ये लोग चले जाएंगे ना, मतलब 2-3 दिन नहीं आएंगे, तो वेडनेसडे वी विल बी स्टडीइंग द पार्ट व्हिच इज बीइंग लेफ्ट बाय यू. वर्तिका एंड कृतिक, यू बोथ ज्वाइन लेट. ओके
सर 7 to 8 तो होगा क्लास.
7 to 8 आप लोगों की क्लास है. वैसे 6 to 8 है. 6 to 7 में जीपी पढ़ाया जाएगा. अगर आपको पढ़ना है तो आप आ जाना, नहीं पढ़ना है तो 7 to 8 आना. 7 to 8 में तो हम पढ़ेंगे CBSE का. कृतिक, इज इट क्लियर बेटा?
यस.
कौन सा क्वेश्चन डाउट है बताओ? ये नहीं आ रहा समझ में? ओके, देखो कैसे करते हैं. Shown below is a graph with 4 straight lines. It is shown that K1, K2, K3 intersect exactly at one point and K3 is parallel to K4. ओके सो K1 कहाँ पे है? ये दिस इज K4, दिस इज K2, दिस इज K3 and this is K1. Okay, they intersect each other here. Which of the following equation is the equation of the line K3? बेटा बहुत सिंपल है आराध्या, क्या करना है बेटा? K3 आपको कहाँ दिया हुआ है? ये दिया हुआ है ना? तो ये जो पॉइंट है ना बेटा, ये पॉइंट, इस पॉइंट का सोल्यूशन निकालना है, किसी भी दो लाइन से निकालो आप। कौन सी दो लाइन से निकालोगे बताओ?
ये K2 और K1
किससे निकाल लोगे? ये गिवन है ना आपको। सो मैं टाइमर ऑन कर रहा हूं, मैं दिखा रहा हूं कितनी देर में क्वेश्चन होगा। कृतिक प्लीज लिसन टू मी प्रॉपरली। सो यू हैव बीन गिवन द इक्वेशन ऑफ हाउ मेनी लाइंस? यू हैव बीन गिवन द इक्वेशन ऑफ 3 लाइंस, but K1 is not, K3 is not given to you. So this is K3, you can see this, this is K3. You have been asked, okay, by looking at K3, can you tell me the slope of K3? Is it positive or negative? Tell me. Aradhya, if the line is going like this, the slope is negative. The slope is negative, okay? If the line is going like this, the slope is positive. So by having the slope as well, for this cannot be the answer, okay? So we have got these three options. Now let us see the y-intercept. The y-intercept is below the x-axis. So by that logic, okay, so it is negative for this as well, so this cannot be there. So we have got these two options, okay? Let us find the solution now. So the equation of this line is x minus y minus 5 is equal to 0, and the equation of this line is 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So I will multiply the first equation by 2, so I will get 2x minus 2y is equal to 10. So what is y? Y is equal to 10, and what is x? X will come as 15. आर यू गेटिंग इट आराध्या बेटा? हमें ये पॉइंट मिल गया 10,15। आ रहा है समझ में आपको?
Yes, sir.
Kritik, are you getting this beta? Because of this equation and this equation, I was able to find out what is this point. Are you getting it? Now you substitute 10,15 in these equations. So 10,15, is it becoming 0? No. 10,15, is it becoming 0? No. 10,15, is it becoming 0? No. Let us see here. 10,15, this is also not becoming 0. Y is 10, okay, it is 15,10, sorry, 15,10. So 15 and 10, no, 15 and 10, 10 into 4 is 40, 15 plus 5 is 20, no. So this is 15 minus 40, no, this is 15, 15 into 2 is 30, 30 plus 35 is 65. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है यार। Okay, let us try to find out the other way. Again I am doing it, okay? X minus y, the logic has to be right, and 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. So when I will multiply this equation by 2, I will get 2x minus 2y is equal to 10. So that means 3, when I will subtract this equation, 3 minus minus 2, that means become 5y is equal to minus 10. So y is coming as negative 2. Okay, it was a calculation mistake. So we have 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x is coming as 3. So the point is 3 comma minus 2. So just check it, 3 comma minus 2, is it becoming 0? The answer is yes. Okay, if I put 3 here, so 3 plus 5 is 8 and 4 into minus 2 is 8, so this is also becoming 0. If I put 3 here and it is minus 2, so 3 plus 8 is 11, 11 minus 11, this is also becoming 0, this is also becoming 0, so every line is becoming 0, so that means it is falling in every equation. But we have been said that it is parallel to K4 beta. That means A1 upon A2 must not be equal to B1, must be equal to B1 upon B2. So see this, 1 upon 1, is it equal to 4 upon 1? No. 1 upon 1 is equal to 4 upon 4? Yes. So the answer is 2. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा, इसमें भी देखो 1 अपॉन, सी दिस 1 अपॉन 2 इज इक्वल टू 4 अपॉन 8 तो है, लेकिन और ये भी पैरेलल दिख रही है, लेकिन अगर मैं इस इक्वेशन में ये डाल दूं ना 2 इंटू 3 इज 6, 8 इंटू 2 इज -16, तो ये 0 ही नहीं हो रहा है. सो वी हैव टू फुलफिल 2 कंडीशन, one from a1 upon a2, b1 upon b2 and c1 upon c2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. एक वो इक्वेशन फुलफिल करनी थी, एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड दिस पॉइंट एंड चेक इन विच ऑफ द सॉल्यूशन इट इज फिटिंग. समझ में आया बेटा? बहुत ही बढ़िया क्वेश्चन था ये तो. और बताओ. बाकी सारे हो गए? कौन सा वाला? ये वाला, दिस वन. Two circles represent the ordered pair AB, which are the solutions of the respective equations. The circles are divided into 3 regions P, Q and R as shown. Which one ordered pair is belonging to P, Q, R? Show your work. The two circles represent the ordered pairs A and B. Okay. Which are the solution of the respective equation? The circle is divided into 3 regions P, Q and R. Which one ordered pair is belonging to P, Q, R? Show your work. Write one ordered pair each belonging to P, Q, R. Okay. So B is equal to A plus 4. And B is equal to minus 3A minus 4. ये तो मुझे भी समझ में नहीं आ रहा है, ये है क्या? The two circles represent the ordered pair A, B, which are the solutions of the respective equations. Equation क्या है इसमें? यही है क्या equation? और कोई ऐसे उल्टे सीधे उठपटांग के क्वेश्चन है मुझे बता दो, मैं एक साथ सबको डिस्कस करूंगा तुम्हारे साथ. शाम को रात में सोने से पहले कर लूंगा, 9 बजे से 10 बजे तक. और सोच लो तुम, ठीक है? ओके.
क्वेश्चन पेपर आप मेरे को सेंड कर सकते हो?
हाँ बेटा, ग्रुप में डाल दो यार. अच्छा तुम तो ग्रुप में नहीं हो, तुम्हें मैं भेजता हूँ. मैं भेजता हूँ आरती का तुमको, ठीक है? कौन सा क्वेश्चन पेपर कह रही हो? ये वाला जो इसने भेजा है मुझे?
यस सर.
ठीक है. Kritik, clear beta. So tomorrow we will be discussing the rest of the questions which we are not able to do today. Okay, we should not be in a hurry because it is a Aradhya's paper, it is not ours paper. So a particular thing has to be taken some time to establish in the mind. Up to today, any doubt in any of these questions? You understood the kind of questions, word problems that comes in the examinations?
Yes.
ये सब अच्छी समझ में आएगा कि ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम होती है, एक सेंटेंस पढ़ा हुआ ना पूरा ऊपर से जाएगा अगर एक क्वेश्चन अच्छे.
आज बेटा हमने जितने क्वेश्चन किए, मैं तुमको बता दूं आराध्या, आज हमने जितने क्वेश्चन किए हैं इसके बाहर से नहीं आना चाहिए, मुझे जहाँ तक एक्सपीरियंस है. फिर भी अगर आ जाएगा तो हम उसको एज ए चैलेंज एक्सेप्ट करेंगे. कल हम सारे पेपर को सॉल्व करेंगे, ठीक है, आपके साथ मिलकर सॉल्व करेंगे 7 to 8:15 हम लोग करेंगे उसको, ठीक है।
ठीक है सर।
ओके चलो बाय। आराध्या तुम सारे फिगर आउट करो, कितने क्वेश्चन तुमको नहीं आ रहे भेजो मुझे, ठीक है।
हाँ सर।
चलो बाय।